Assalamu alaikum, year 8. Okay, here is the answers for the final revision worksheet. The first one here, multiplication 0.02 multiplied by 30. So first, ignore the point and multiply 2 by 30, 2 by 30, that's 60. Okay. It's 60. Then I will put the point after two digits because here it's after 2. So it will be 0.60. Next one, 5 and 15. So 5 by 15 equal 60. And also don't forget the point after 2 because here it's after 1 and here also it's after 1. Next one, if you have division, you have to remove the point from the second number. So it's 0.12 means I will multiply by 100. Multiply 0.12 by 100, you will get 12. 48 also by 100, you will get 4800, means 4800. Then let's make division. 48 divided by 12, it's 4. And bring down the zeros. Next one also I have here, it's after 1. So I will multiply by 10, it will be 4. Here I multiply by 10 also, it will be 3.6. Okay, no need to remove the point from the first one. The most important one is the second one. You have to remove the point in division. So 3.6 divided by 4, consider it like 36. 36 divided by 4, it's 9. But I have a point after one digit, so it will be 0.9. Next one, if you have a negative power, 10 power negative number, make this negative number positive. Instead of negative 3, make it positive 3. And change the operation from multiplication into division. So 28 divided by 10 power 3 means 28 divided by 1000. I will put the point after 3 digits. So it's 0.028. Next one, it was division. And I will do division because the power is already positive. 10 power 2 means 100. So 3.4 divided by 10 power 2, it will be 0.034. I will move the point back 2 digits. Okay. Next one also I have here negative power. So I will make it positive and I will change the operation into multiplication. So 0.03 multiplied by 10 power 3 means 1000. So I will move the point forward 3 steps. So it will be 30. Next one here, I will make it positive instead of negative and I will change this multiplication into division. So I will divide it by 1000, means I will put the point after 3 digits. You can ignore this last 0, by the way. You can write it just 0.25. Okay. Next one, sorry, a mistake here. Five by 15 is 75, not 60. Okay. Next, 0.02 multiplied by 10 power 3. 0.02 multiplied by 10 power 3. I will move the point 3 steps forward. So it will be 20. Okay. Next one is a division, but it's divided by 10 power 0. And we said anything power 0 except 0, of course. Anything power 0, we will get 1. So 5.2 divided by 1, we will get the same number. Next one, this is order of operation. 5 power 2 minus 3, open bracket, 12 minus 9. So I will do bracket first. 12 minus 9, that means 3. Then 3, I will multiply it by 3, and I have here 5 power 2 means 25. So it's a 25 minus 3 multiplied 3, 9. 25 minus 9, that's 16. Next one also. Let's start with division because you have only division and addition. 12 divided by 6, that's 2. Plus 60 divided by 6, that's 10. 2 plus 10 equal 12. Next one, rounding. We have 2 options, decimal places and significant figures. Okay, 2 topics, decimal places and significant figures. For first one here, we need to round to the nearest one decimal place. Here is the first decimal place, 8. 7 will give anything to 8? Yes. So it will be 357.8. 2 decimal places, it will be just 2. 5 will give anything to 2? Yes, so it will be 73.63. Next one, focus here please. 2 will give 0 anything? No, so it will be 0. Here I can remove this 0? No, you can't. You have to keep it. It must be 3.0. Because you said 1 decimal place, so you have to write up to the first decimal place, even it's 0. Next one, 3 significant figure. The third significant figure, it will be 9. So 6 will give 9 anything? Yeah, so it will be 10. 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 0, 1. And here is 5. So it's 5.10. And also here you can't remove the point, because they said 3 significant figures, so you have to write up to the third significant figure. Next one, first significant figure, it will be 2, because I won't count 0. If the example is starting with zeros only, so you won't start counting with zeros. Okay, so 7 will give 2 anything, of course, so it will be 0.03. Okay, let's go for the next one. Yusuf ran 10 kilometers in 50 minutes. He rested for 5 minutes, then ran a further 5 kilometers in 15 minutes. Work out his average speed for the whole journey. So I know that average speed equal total distance, over total time. This is the average speed. So I will write here that average speed equal, you can write the rule, but let's answer directly. Here, 10 total distance, it's 10 kilometers and 5 kilometers, so it's 15 kilometers in total. But what about time? Time is 50 minutes, I have 15 minutes, and the 5 minutes rest, and 15 minutes. So let's add them. 15 plus 5, that's 20, 20 and 50, that's 70. So it's 15 divided by 70, I will get what? 50 divided by 70, you will get 0.214. So 0.214. You need to round, right? Yes. But what is the unit here? The unit here actually is kilometer, because the first one was kilometer, but the second one was minute, kilometer per minute. But I can calculate it into kilometer per hour. Yes, just convert it, okay, into hours. Look with me. If we need to go, for example, for the second one, yeah, we need to make it with hours. So average speed also will be equal. I have here 15 kilometers, the same, but I need 70 minutes, I need to convert it into hour. We know that 70 minutes equal, how many hours? 70 minutes. 70 minutes equal 1 hour, because 1 hour equals 60 minutes. And 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes means what? Means 10 over 60. 10 over 60 means what? Means 1 over 6. So it's 1 over 6. 1 and 1 over 6 hour. Convert it into fraction. So it will be 1.6. 1 multiplied 6 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7 over 6. So I will divide it here by 7 over 6. It will be written like this: 15 divided by 7 over 6. And of course, you know how to answer this one. It will be 15 multiplied by 6 over 7. And see what you will get. 15 multiplied by 6 over 7. So it will be 12.85. 12.86. 12.86. But now the unit is kilometer per hour. Okay? And of course, if you need to convert from kilometer to minute into kilometer to hour directly, we know that from minute to hour, we need to divide by 60 then divided by 60 again, this is in the denominator. Okay, so anyway, let's complete. You can convert it directly. We converted before in our class between meter per second into kilometer per hour. If you remember, just put it and see what you will multiply by what. Okay, let's complete. If we multiply it again, let's see, if we multiply this number 0.214 by 60, you will get this number, because minutes in the denominator. Okay, so we won't divide, we will multiply if you need to convert directly. But if you need to calculate it from the beginning, just get whatever unit you need. You need kilometer per hour, so make it kilometer for the distance and hours for time. If you need it kilometer per minute, make it kilometer for distance and a minute for time. Let's complete. Question number 4. A pack of 6 pens cost $5.60, $5.60, and a pack of 20, same, it will be 19.65 cents. So which pack is better value for money? So you need to calculate the rate. Okay, so let's calculate rate 1 and rate 2. So for rate 1, it will be $5.60 divided by what? Divided by 6. For the second one, it will be $19.65 divided by 20. Let's see the answer. The answer for the first one, 5.6 divided by 6, you will get 0.93 recurring. 0.93 recurring. What is the unit here? The unit is dollar, okay, per pen, because the numerator is for dollar and denominator is for pence. Next one, it will be also dollar per pen. But what is the result? Let's see. It will be 19.65 divided by 20. It will 0.98. 0.98. Okay, of course the second one is expensive, it's more expensive. So the first one has a better value of money. So we can write here, first one has a better value for money. And also you can write it, instead of the first one, you can write first one of what? It's a pack of 6, okay? Has a better value for money because it's cheaper, okay? Understand? Okay, let's complete the next one. Here, in a box of chocolate, 5ths of them are plain, third are white, and rest are milk chocolate. What is the fraction of the box chocolate? Okay, fraction is a part of a whole, and a whole means 1. So the total box means 1. 5ths of them plain, okay? So I will need to add plain and white at the beginning. So I will add 1 over 5 plus 1 over 3. 1 over 5 plus 1 over 3, what we will get? 3 plus 5 is 3 multiply 5, that's mean 15 in the denominator. 3 multiply 1 here is 3, 5 multiply 1 here is 5, so it will be 8 over 15. And of course you can do it by making 15 here and 15 there and make the denominator as the same first, up to you. After that, we need to get milk chocolate. So milk chocolate will be equal what? Will equal 1 minus this number. Why 1? Because 1 is the total amount, okay? So 1 here means I can write it like 15 over 15 minus 8 over 15. So it will be 7 over 15. This is a fraction for milk chocolate, okay? Let's complete this one. 1 over 2 plus 3 over 5. We need to make the denominator the same. So 2 and 5 means it will be 10. 2 became 10 by multiplying it by 5, so 1 by 5 it's 5. 5 became 10 by multiplying it also by 2, so 2 multiplies 3 equals 6. So 6 plus 5 equal 11, so 11 over 10 means 1 and 1 over 10. Next one, 35 minus 35. I choose 35 because it's the lowest common multiple of 5 and 7. 5 became 7 by multiplying it by 7. 5 became 35 by multiplying it by 7. So 3 by 7 is 21. And the next one also 7 became 35 by multiplying it by 5. So 5 by 2 it's 10. So make subtraction, it will be 11 over 35. And this is the simplest form, by the way, because the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay? Okay, next one here. We need to convert first. We need to convert the first one into improper fraction first. 1 by 4, 4 plus 3, that's 7. So 7 over 4 minus 2 over 3. Let's make it the same denominator. So it will be 12. 4 became 12 by multiplying by 3, so 3 by 7, 21. 3 became 12 by multiplying by 4, so 4 by 2, that's 8. So subtract 21 minus 8, that's 13. So it's 13 over 12, means 1 and 1 over 12. Okay, next one. This is multiplication, so easy. Just convert. 5 multiply 4, 20. 20 plus 1, 21 over 4. Multiply by 2 by 7, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 over 7. Let's simplify. Divided by 4 equal 1. Divided by 4 equal 4. Divided by 7, 1. Divided by 7, 3. So 3 by 4, that's 12. Next one, convert also. 5 by 3, 35. 35 plus 3, 38. Divided by 7. Then divided by 2 multiply 7, 14. 14 plus 5 equal 19. 19 over 7. So it will be 38 over 7. I will leave it the same, 38 over 7. I will make it multiply by 7 over 19. Let's simplify. 7 with 7. Divided by 19 is 1. Divided by 19 is 2. Because actually 38 is 19 multiplied by 2. So at the end it will be 2 by 1. That means 2. Okay, let's go for the next one. 3x bar 2 multiplied by 4x bar 4. So number with number, 3 multiply 4, that's 12. X bar 2 multiply x bar 4, x bar 6, because I will add the bars or the answers. Next one, it's 3 divided by 2. It can't be, so I will just write it 3 divided by 2. X bar 4 divided by x bar 4, that's 1. That's x bar 0 means 1. X bar 0 because 4 minus 4 is 0. And bar 0 means I won't write it because it's equal 1. Next one, 3x minus 5y plus 2x plus 3y. So here is 3x and here is 2x, and both of them are positive. So 3x plus 2x equal 5x. Negative 5y and positive 3y. Negative 5, positive 3, that means it's a negative 2y. Next one, he asked me to expand it. So 2x, this 2x, I will take it and multiply it by this number and this one, this term and this term. So it will be 2 multiply 3, 6. X multiply x bar 2, that's x bar 3. Minus 2 multiply, here is 1, so it's 2. xy. Next one here, 2y plus y, 2y over 3 plus y over 18. So I need to make this 318. So I will multiply it by 6 and multiply up also by 6. So it will be 12y over 18 plus y over 18. That means it will be, yes, 13y over 18. Okay, next one, same idea. I need to make the denominator the same first. So I will multiply here by 2 to make it 4 and multiply here by 2. So it will be 6a, the first one I will keep it the same. 3a divided by 4 minus 2b divided by 4. And this one actually you can't subtract up. You will just leave it 3a minus 2b over 4. Because a and b are two different symbols, you can't subtract. Next one also, we need to make it the same. So we will make it the same for 42. So here 42 and here 42 because it's 7 and 6. 7 became 42 by multiplying it by 7. So 7 by 6. So 6 by 2 equal 14a. In the other one, 6 multiplied by 7 equal 42. So 5 multiplied by 7 equal 35b. The same idea I can do it. So I will just leave it 14a minus 35b over the same denominator 42. Next one, I need to make this one 9. So I'll multiply by 3, multiply by 3. So it will be 6y divided by 9 plus 7y divided by 9. 7 plus 6, that's 13, so 13y divided by 9. By the way, this you can put it in the simplest form. 13 divided by 9, it will be 1 and 1 over, but I prefer if you have simple, leave it like this, okay? Don't convert it into a mixed number. Okay, because it will be like you will put the symbol at the end, so you have to put multiplication. Leave it like this, 13y over 9. This is its simplest form in proper fraction. No need to convert it into a mixed number. Next one, write an expression in terms of n in each of the following. Divide the number by 3. The number is n, so I will divide the number n. I will divide it by 3. If he said divide 3 by the number, so it will be 3 over n. This is the second one. The second one he said divide 3, so he started with 3. By the number, then 3 by the number. Then subtract 4, then subtract 4. Next one, subtract 3 from the number. Whatever comes after from in subtraction, put it at the beginning. So after from, it's the number. So the number at the beginning. Okay? Then subtract 3 minus 3. Then multiply the result by 5. So here this is the result. And I will multiply it by 5. The last one, subtract the number from 6. What comes after from? It's a 6. So it's a 6 minus the number. So it will be n. Close the bracket. And then he said divide the result by, I forgot to write here a number. Divide the result by 4, for example. So it will be divided by 4 means it will be 6 minus n. 6 minus n divided by 4. You can add the bracket up or you can remove it. It's the same. Okay? Next one. Work out the value of the expression when x equals 4, y equals 3, z equals negative 5. Let's substitute. So x equals 4, so 4 plus open bracket. 3y means 3 multiplied by 3 minus 2z, 2 multiplied by negative 5. So here is 4 plus. Inside the bracket I have brackets. So here's 3 multiplied by 3. I will do it first. It's 9. And here 2 multiplied negative 5. It's a negative 10. Negative 10. And here negative also. So it will be positive 10. Then also the brackets again. So it's a 4 plus 9 plus 10, 19. 19 plus 4 equal 23. Okay. That's it. Let's go for the next one also. Here, 5 let's expand 5 multiply x and the 5 multiply. And instead of expanding, you can substitute directly. So you can expand and you can substitute directly. Let's substitute directly. I think it's better here. So 5, open bracket, x is what? Is 4. Minus z. Z is what? Z is negative 5. Minus 4, open bracket. Y is what? Y is 3. Minus z is what? Negative 5 also. Okay? So 4 plus 5, because here it will be plus, negative means positive. And here also it will be plus. Do the brackets, so 8. Do the brackets, so it's 9. Make the multiplication before the subtraction. So 5 by 9 equal 45. Okay? And 4 by 8 equals 32. Make subtraction, you will get 3, and here is 1, so 13. Okay, next one, factorize. Factorize is to find the common factor. Here I have 7 and here 14. So the common factor here, of course, it's 7. M power 2 and m. So the common factor is m. So 7 divided by 7 done. M power 2 divided by m, that's m. Minus 14 divided by 7, that's 2. M divided by m, that's done. Next one. 3 and 2, no common factor. X squared and x, common factor is x. Open bracket. 3 divided by x, it's 3. X power 2 divided by x, that's x. Plus 2x divided by x, that's 2. Okay. Next one. Also, I need to take the common factor 2 and 4 and 10. The common factor between all of them is 2 and also x. Then I will open bracket because I have x power 3, x power 2, and x. So 2 divided by 2 done. X power 3 divided by x, that's x power 2 because I will subtract the powers. After that, plus 4 divided by 2, that's 2. X power 2 divided by x, that's x. Minus 10 divided by 2, that's 5. And x divided by x, that's done. Expand. Multiply the first one with the first and second, and also the second one with the first and second. So x here, I will multiply it here and there. And I will take also the 3 here and there. So let's try. X by x, x squared. X by 5, 5x. 3 by x, that's 3x. 3 by 5, that's 15. Put it in the simplest form, it will be here 3x and the 5x, that means 8x. So x squared plus 8x plus 15. Second one, also same idea. X multiply x, x squared. X multiply 4, 4x. This one is negative. Negative 2 multiply x, it's a negative 2x. Negative 2 multiply 4, it's a negative 8. So here x squared, this one and this one, 4x minus 2x, that's 2x, then minus 8. Next one, 2x multiplied by 3x equal 6x squared. 2x multiplied 2 equal 4x. After that, the other one is negative also here. Negative 5 multiplied 3, negative 15x. Negative 5 multiplied 2 equal negative 10. So it will be at the end 6x squared and 4x minus 15x, that's a negative 11x, then minus 10. Okay, next one also. X multiply x, that's x squared. X multiply 3 equals 3x. Negative 3 multiply x equal negative 3x. And negative 3 multiply and negative 3 multiply positive 3 equal negative 9. So here it will be this one with this one, I will cancel them together because one is negative and one is positive. So it will be x squared minus 9. X minus 4 all power 2. This one I told you before that it's the same like x minus 4 repeated 2 times, multiplied by x minus 4. So it will be x multiply x, that's x squared. X multiply 4, it's a negative 4x. 4 multiply x, that's a negative 4x again. 4 multiply 4, that's positive 16. Equal, here, x squared, negative 4x. Negative 4x, that's a negative 8x. At the end, it's positive 16. Why it's positive? Because negative by negative. Okay? Next one. These are the marks of 10 students in a mathematics test. Okay, calculate the model mark, mean, median, and range. Okay, first of all, model mark. What is model mark here? What is the most repeated number here? Let's see. 9 is repeated 2 times only. 7 is repeated 2 times only. 5, look 5. Repeated 3 times. So the model mark equal what? Equal 5. Okay, after that, let's calculate the easiest one, range. Range will equal what? The greatest value, 9, minus the smallest value, it was 3, so the range is 6. Now let's go for median and mean. For mean first, because mean here is easy. Mean equal, I will add all of the values, add all of them, means 9 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5 plus 9 plus 8, then divided by number of them. The number of them, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I will divide it by 10. Let's calculate the sum. 9 and 7, 16, 16 and 5, 21, 21 and 3, 24, 24 and 6, 30, 35, 35 and 5, 40, 40 and 7 and 8, so 15, so 55, 55 and 9, so it's 64 I think. 64 divided by 10, so it will be 6.4. Okay, let's check the median. How to get the median here? Make sure about this sum in your own. Anyway, median. How many values I have here? I have 10 values, right? So 10 divided by 2, because it's an even number, I will get 5. So I will take the fifth and the sixth one. After arranging, of course, so here is the first one, 3. Okay, no 4. So after that, I have second, third, fourth. So here is the fifth. Okay, and number 6, it will be 7. So I will take 6 and 7. So it will be 6 plus 7. Then I will divide it by 2. So I will get 6.5. Okay. So let's complete. Here also we need to calculate mode, mean, median, and range. Mode, as we said before, the most repeated value, the value that has the greatest frequency. What is the greatest frequency here? 19. The greatest frequency is 19. So it's what? It's 5 tasks. The mode is 5 tasks. Because 5 tasks has the greatest frequency, 19. After that, I need to calculate what? I need to calculate, let's calculate range. It's easy, range. Range equals the greatest value, and the greatest value is 5. Smallest value is 0. For 5 minus 0 equal 5. And let's calculate also the median and the mean. Let's calculate here the median first. Median here is easy. I have how many values? 40. So 40 divided by 2, you will get 20. So I will take number 20 and number 20 first. Okay, so let's go. Till here it's 1. 1 plus 3, so till here it's 4. 4 plus 3, so till here it's 7. Right? 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4, so till here, at the end of here, it's 11. Okay? So at the end of here, it's 11. And the plus 10, that means here I will reach, at the end of here, I will reach 21. So 20 and 21, it will be 4 and 4 at the end of 4. So it will be 4 and 4. So 4 plus 4 divided by 2, that means you will get 4. What is the mode? How to calculate the mode here? Mode, as we said before, let's multiply. 0 multiply 1, that's 0, plus 1 multiply 3, 3, 2 multiply 3, 6, 3 multiply 4, 12, 4 multiply 10, 40, 5 multiply by 19 equal 95, then divided by total number of them, total frequency means 40. So it will be, okay, let's see, 95, let's make it here, 95 plus 40 plus 12 plus 6 plus 3 divided by 40, you will get 3.9. So it's 3 exactly 0.9. Okay. Sorry, this is not the mode, this is the main. This is not the mode, this is the main. Okay, let's complete the rest. That's it. That's the full revision. Only chapter 14. No exercises here in this worksheet about chapter 14, but we already revised all of chapter 14 exercises during our class. So thank you, and I hope you the best in your